Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can order checks online or on the application. So now I'm currently here on the Chase official website. So you just have to go to your web browser and search for www.chase.com and you will be redirected to this page right here. So for you to order checks online, just have to follow these steps that I'm going to be showing you. So for personal accounts, what you're going to do is just sign in to choose your check design. So you can change the address that appears on your checks during the ordering process. However, to change your mailing address in their system, you just have to go to chase.com/update. So you can directly click on this website right here if you are currently on the Chase website. So you can click on this one and you will be redirected to another page. So you just have to go to this website right here to keep your information up to date. If you really want to change your address, your mailing address, or if you just really generally have to change anything from your info. So just click on that one /update. And then after that, you will see the cost and any available discounts before you submit your order. Now, you can also order personal checks at any Chase branch if you don't know how to order it online or on their application. So you can directly go to their Chase branch everywhere to order personal checks. Now, let's go ahead with the business accounts. So for business accounts, you just have to go to check order page to sign in and order checks for your business accounts. So you can also directly click on this one and you will be redirected to another page where you can sign in and order checks for your business accounts. And same with the personal accounts, you can also order business checks at any Chase branch. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!